Let's run child support guidelines. Today, we're going to be running guidelines for a divorcing couple out of Montgomery County, Maryland. We have Patricia T. She is a consultant, self-employed, and she's earning approximately $6,500 a month. Then we have James T. He is employed full-time as an accountant, and he earns $5,000 per month. They're the parents of two children, Harper, who's 6, and Hudson, who's 9. Now, the parties have a few expenses that need to be calculated and added to the guidelines in order to know what the potential child support should be. Now, we have James paying the health, dental, and vision insurance for the children. He's paying approximately $400 per month. Then we have private school tuition costs, which are $20,000 per year, and those costs are being split equally between the parents. So if I put $20,000 hold on, let me cancel this. The private school tuition costs are $20,000 per month, and the private school tuition costs are $20,000 per year, and those expenses are being split equally between the parents. So what that means is each parent is paying approximately $833 per month on average for the private school costs for Harper and Hudson. Now, according to the scenario, we have Patricia having approximately 200 overnights and James having approximately 165 overnights. So that means we're at minimum on the shared guideline schedule. And then we put in the overnights for Patricia, and the overnights for James will auto add to 165. According to these guidelines, based on the expenses for this family, Patricia would owe James approximately $391 per month, as that is the recommended child support for Harper and Hudson. There are a few things that could change how these guidelines could go. For example, if Patricia had sole custody, James would have to pay $632 per month. If James had sole custody, Patricia would have to pay $1,589. If they had the minimal overnight schedule for being on the shared guidelines, James would have to pay $383 per month. If they had maximum, Patricia would have to pay $547 per month. What does that mean? That means overnights are king when it comes to child support. Overnights are king. And you can split expenses as much as you want, but your overnights with your children will strongly impact how your child support will work out. In this particular situation, under this particular facts, because Patricia has 200 overnights and James only has 165, Patricia is to pay $391 per month to James for the children.